Have you guys ever wondered whether all of these make money online videos actually work? I mean, we've been seeing all of these videos online, circulating at YouTube. There's so many of them, right? So many of them, too many of them even. And the question begets, do they actually work or not? Are they true? Are they fake? Are they a scam? Are they legit or not? Right? So all of these questions, right? I'm pretty sure most of you guys, including me, it's all happening in our heads right now because we're seeing all of these big numbers, right? Promising us that, hey, we're going to be able to earn $91 per hour just by watching videos, right? So, in this video, I'm going to be attempting this video right here, and hopefully, we get to make $91 per hour just by watching videos. Alright, so enough talking, and let's do this.
In this video, I show you how to earn $91 per hour by just watching videos, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is how to earn money online by just watching videos. So the first step is to play the video. Second step is to watch it for at least 60 seconds. Step 3 is to cash out your earnings. It's as simple as that. This website is accessible from anywhere in the world, and it's completely free to use. First and foremost, I would like you to go to this website, zoombucks.com. For the purpose of this video, we will concentrate on watching videos, because it's something you already do every day, and it pays you the most amount of money for the least amount of effort. Step 1. Create a free account on this site. Step 2. Select a channel that interests you. Start watching TV shows and videos. After watching those videos, points will be credited to your account.
Alright, so with that being said, we are over here at zoombucks.com. So over here, we're going to be able to unlock free cash and gift cards by doing surveys, offers, and more. So we're going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to go ahead and sign up first for an account as usual. Alright, and then afterwards, I'm going to get back to you guys. And just before that, guys, alright, you guys already know, I can't possibly just take the video's words for it, right? I'm going to go ahead and go and Google and then go on to Trustpilot. That's going to be the most trustworthy website that everybody can count on. Alright, so here we are at Trustpilot and we are at the Zoombucks side of things. So over here we have like 2.2k worth of reviews and it's rated 4.3. So it's not too bad, right? It is excellent, right? So there's most definitely a good sign for a start. And then over here, see what reviewers are saying. 5 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars, and then we have 1 star. Alright, so with that being said, I'm gonna just go ahead and click on 1 star right here. Whoa, alright, so just like updated literally 5 minutes ago. And over here it says, this scammer syndicate still exists. Who? So exists who already frozen and suspend hundreds ID member. Don't play in this platform. Man, oh man. Alright, next one. It's 2 days ago, right? Just 2 days ago. I never got my reward. I redeemed my points for a PayPal reward of $3 on 19 February, and they tell me that I will have to wait for an email from Tremendous, and that email never came. So we are on March, and the support don't tell me nothing, then keep waiting for the email. I wasted my time, and I believe that money will never be sent. Guys, it's most definitely not a good sign, man. I do not want to hear that. I do not want to be wasting my time. I'm pretty sure most of you guys don't want to waste your time as well. It's a request not to use and fall for this scam. You will only waste your time and they will not credit you any rewards. If I had an opportunity, I would freeze all of their bank accounts. They are scamming innocent people. They are beggars. When they see you earned some money, they'll ban your account. Hey man, that's not right, man. That's not right. Zoombucks, if you're doing that, that's not right. Alright, so with that being said, I'm just gonna go ahead and sign up first and let's just see whether all these reviews are legit or not as well.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go to videos right here from Notably. Alright, so we're at cheddar.tv, watch videos, sign up, watch videos and redeem your cheese. Okay, why not? Let's do it. Alright, boom. So I've successfully registered for an account at cheddar.tv and I successfully linked my account to zoombucks.com. So the next thing we have to do is, apparently we just have to watch some videos over here, and after watching we can earn some points over here according to the video, right? So with that being said, I'm just gonna go ahead and choose any one of it over here. Most of them over here are gaming related videos over here. I'm not too sure whether are they live videos or not. I don't think so, because there's like 5 months ago it states the amount of days that's being posted, so it's most definitely not live, but maybe they were playing live, I don't know. So okay, I'm just gonna go with this one, LCK Highlights Game 2, whatever this is. Alright, so I'm over here at the video. I have no idea what's happening. What game is this? I don't even know. Is this Mobile Legends? if I'm not wrong. I think it's Mobile Legends. Is it? If you guys know what this game is, let me know at the comment section down below. I have no idea what this is. Or is it Dota? I have no idea. Alright, so whatever it is, can I watch this video and earn some money? That's all I care, right? That's all we're here for. Hopefully it actually reflects the points that's being earned from Zoombucks. Alright, so apparently the video is being played and I'm playing the next one right now. So I'm just gonna go back to Zoombucks and see whether or not it reflects. Alright, I'm back at Zoombucks. I'm gonna go ahead and hit a quick refresh. $30 points right here. 30 points only. It's not reflecting. It is not reflecting. 30 points? That doesn't make any sense. Why is it not being reflected? I do not see the videos being reflected over here. I don't see me earning any points right here.
After creating a Lootedly account, you'll be brought to this page, where you can watch all of the videos in the food category. This website allows you to watch as many videos as you want. Now, if I click this one right here for example, I'll be taken to another page, where I'll have to watch the video for at least 60 seconds, in order to earn money.
So according to the YouTube video that we are following, right, the video actually just mentions that we have to just watch through the video, and we'll be able to earn the points from there. That's it. That's all there is to it. That's all the video said to us. So I've already done that, but I'm not earning anything. Alright guys, that's it. I give up. Alright, I give up. Once again, I think this website, Zoombucks, doesn't work once again. I mean, I've already watched the video and we were not rewarded with any points. So that's another thing. That's another disappointment. And yeah, that's all there is to it, man. So with that being said, I do not think Zoombucks is a legitimate website. I do not recommend you guys to do this website. And on to the next one.
But wait! There's more!
Hold up, before you guys go, if you guys want a free 1,372 digital product ideas list, if you guys want to start your first online business, and if you guys do not know what to do, go over to the first link at my description box down below, which is the digital product ideas list over here. And if you guys see something that is interesting and you guys think that you guys have the expertise to carry on to do it, you guys can then head over to the Entrepreneur Playbook right here, where I will be sharing with you guys from start to finish, from A to Z, anything and everything that is required for your online business journey. Alright, so click the first link at the description box down below, and I'll see all of you guys inside for free.